given that the area of three rectangles are 24, 9 and 27, then we have to find this area. So suppose this length is A, then this length it will be also A, and this length will be also A. And suppose this length is B, then this length it will be also B, and this length it will be also B. And if this is C, then this and this will be also C, and if this is D, then this and this will be also D. Now A times C is 24, A times C is 24, B times C is 9, B times D is 27, and we have to find A times D. And now if we multiply AC and BD and divide by BC, then AC is 24, BD is 27, and BC is 9. And B will get cancelled, C will get cancelled. So A times D is 24 times 27 divided by 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So AD it is 24 times 3, that will be 72. So AD is 72.